Welcome to the end of WIG 2023. If you want to know why it's 2023, because we started last year. This is the Winter Indoor Garden Challenge by GT and Mike's Chaotic Garden. So my plant was the ground cherries, and we started a little late, but it looked like we got some true leaves. I have one that's bigger, but I took it outside already. But they look nice. I really enjoyed, because I didn't think I could germinate ground cherries from previous years, but I did. So that's that. And then I took most of the plants I started indoors outside and started some more. So here I got some tomatoes, and I got some, what is this? This is Dinosaur Kill. That's close, ain't it, y'all? Dinosaur Kill. Back there is Amaranth. And this, I'm sorry, these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cells are my watermelon. One is coming up. And this tray right here, I have a lot of cucumbers. I think sunflowers. This right here, I think I got 3 of them, is my mullein. And there's one little rosemary back there. You see it? But yeah, that's my indoor update. Mostly everything is outside. I still got my shampoo ginger inside. I still haven't planted my ginger because the weather's still going back and forth. But y'all, oh, this is a what is this? This is a sugar cane. Yeah. So that's my WIG conclusion. Y'all have a blessed day. Hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Peace out.